we're headed to Santa Cruz for Thanksgiving. We're super excited. It's our first big ocean passage on the boat, and we've been preparing for a couple days, but it's kind of hard to prepare after a while. You're just like, okay, let's go.
Are we forgetting anything?
Everything we own is on the boat. I can't really see it. We went out the Golden Gate Bridge and turned left. The first channel marker in the shipping channel outside of San Francisco Bay. Hello, Pacific Ocean.
It was our first ocean sail for our new boat, Gemini. As we hoisted the sails and the sun rose, we realized it was going to be an awesome trip down the coast.
It had been over 4 months since we had sold Spirit, our last boat, and we were excited to get back out on the water and get to know our new boat.
Checking the sail trim. Now I'm actually too small, you can see over this thing.
Finally a boat big enough for Jack.
Yeah, right? Jeez.
There's a saying that says that there are 2 types of sailors. Ones who have been seasick and ones who will get seasick. Turns out, this trip was Jack's first time feeding the fishies. Nothing a good boat nap out on the ocean can't fix.
Sit here and watch the crab pot.
Sounds like a plan. There's one right there, behind us.
You said to leave later.
As we sailed down the coast in our floating home, we got to see a lot of awesome wildlife out there. We just saw whales.
Now we just have to catch them. Or catch up
Wait
to them.
for us, whales! I am the whale scout right now. We saw a couple splashes just a couple minutes ago, and we're headed right for them, so hopefully we'll see them up close. As I see them jumping, check this out. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! That was spectacular! I can't help but get excited every single time we see wildlife out there on the water. Feeling so tiny next to such huge, graceful animals makes us really appreciate our lifestyle on the water.
Know about you, but I can feel it in this room.
Oh my God!
And all of our reasons.
Oh, can you tell how excited I was to see whales out there? I'm a woo girl when it comes to wildlife. I can't help it.
Maybe I'm silly. We were pointed like down at Monterey Bay. Like I was confused with the land down there. It's really far away. Santa Cruz is like right in front of us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Well, whales are over there.
Huh?
We're not going in the direction of the whales anymore, though.
Oh, well, I'd rather get there than.
Almost to Santa Cruz. We can see it from here. Let's ho!
Santa Cruz Harbor Patrol, Santa Cruz Harbor Patrol, Santa Cruz Harbor Patrol. This is sailing vessel Gemini. Over.
After a beautiful, calm sail down the coast, we reached Santa Cruz Harbor entrance just as the sun was setting. It was such a spectacular sunset, we had to take a minute and enjoy the view.
We had heard the channel entrance can be pretty hairy when the ocean swell picks up, but luckily we had a nice calm evening.
We were excited to land in a new harbor and couldn't wait for the sunrise to do some exploring.
The next morning, we woke up in beautiful Santa Cruz Harbor. We got to hang out, be lazy, and watch the traffic go by. Between the rowing sculls, paddle boarders, locals with their morning coffee, and commercial fishermen, it was a busy harbor, but we were surprised to see how quiet it still was. We had enough time hanging out and being lazy. It was time to get cooking. Our new boat had an awesome oven, and we were excited to try it out, cooking our first turkey on the boat.
Try to find the smallest bird we can.
9.12
Hour and a half to 2.5 hours.
cooking.
That's what it says. Oh, this is just all tit shots.
Close.
He's just getting a little pampering before I cook the out of him.
We both loved to cook, so we made everything from scratch and hoped for the best.
See what this looks like.
Ooh, it got firm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think we should take this off. Thank you to our neighbor who gave us
A little bit of tinfoil.
the tiny last little bit of tinfoil.
That's all we forgot was tinfoil. It's like the damn drinks.
Okay, I think I need to spin this around so it doesn't,
Here,
it cooks evenly.
Yeah.
Because this oven is slightly hotter.
Oh, you can see it. Yeah, look at that. It's slightly hotter over there. Damn, that
Touching
barely
the broiler right there. Oh,
barely
damn.
fits. We close her up and finish off the final touches. Man, I love cooking.
Turkey time!
This was our first official Thanksgiving without our families, and we were excited to spend it in such a beautiful place with such delicious food. We were so stuffed afterwards, so we had to sit and just enjoy the sunset.
A close sailing friend is birthed in Santa Cruz, so we had him over to check out the new digs and drink some beers.
Oh, my heart. What the goddamn?
I know, right?
Full shower, dude. I know.
We're like living it up now. It's weird.
We talked about our future sailing plans and hoped that maybe one day we would meet up in the Sea of Cortez.
Join us next time as we walk through sleepy Santa Cruz and catch some wild, crazy dolphin madness on the way up the coast.
Until next time, and remember, stay salty.